Absolutely. Well, hello, world. Welcome.
Hello world, welcome. Here we are.
Another BJ's.
Oh, another BJ show.
Tip
Who
top.
would have thought? Once a week, smashing them out.
Smashing them out. We're here and we're going to never stop. And up here, I wanted to talk to you. I would actually, do you know, we haven't been on the Good News Network for a long time.
Oh, we
We haven't.
haven't. We haven't.
And
What's on the Good
and
News
I thought,
Network?
well, I've got to have a look because is there any good news happening around the world? So I put it. So I put it. So I put it on, and bloody hell, there's a Kenyan woman up here started up
Yeah,
recycled plastic waste and making them into bricks. That's 5 times stronger than concrete. And I went,
what?
yeah. And she started this in Kenya on her own, and it's an absolute brilliant. What is it?
That's an incredible
Oh,
idea.
and it's
Like, that's just a great idea. Also, because plastic, like here in Canada, you don't get this problem, and probably most places you don't get this problem. But in Bali, they don't do the foundations properly of most buildings.
yeah,
So, when you put a wick into a gas lamp and it sucks up the oil
yeah.
and you can light it at the top? Well, concrete has the same effect
Ah,
when it touches water because it's
yeah,
porous. So it sucks up the water. So over years of it being there touching the soil, you end up having moisture in the
yeah,
wall, which causes mold and the paint to fall
yeah.
off and all of that. So with this, it's
Oh,
plastic. It's
absolutely.
not going to suck up
and
shit.
it and it says and it says that an absolute brilliant young woman in Kenya. So she started this company herself from recycled plastic, and as it says here, I'll just read it what it says on the paper here because I think this is actually a good read. It says she was tired of being on the sidelines while civil servants struggles against plastic waste in the capital city of Nairobi. So the materials engineered created a product that is 5 to 7 times stronger than concrete. Now, the founder, which I can't really say her name, I don't want to say it because it can't, but I'll highlight it up. So, which, so it transforms.
That'll make it sound way
Yeah,
better.
absolutely. It trans.
This
Yeah,
person.
this person because my accent, you know what it's like, Oppie. Terrible. So anyway, but she transforms plastic waste into durable building materials, uh, designs the machines and manufactures the bricks in her factory. Now, what she's getting dumps of plastic, low of high density polyethylene and polypropylene from local packaging plants for free. Because what she's actually collecting, it's not just that she's collecting recycled plastic, she's actually collecting the recycle that they can't recycle no more. So it's their waste they cannot process anymore and they cannot recycle, and they're giving her all that for free. And then she's making that into the bricks. So
Mm.
it's just like an amazing. There's like no waste into plastics then.
No, that will be yeah. They'll
Uh,
just turn that into
and
buildings.
it says here the result is a line of versatile building material pressed via hydraulic machines into different thicknesses that sell in a variety of colours and cost an average of $7.70 per square meter. And so far, she's employed more than 110 people, helping to churn out about 1,500 bricks every day. She told Reuters that they have recycled about 20 meter tons of plastic waste since the company was founded in 2018, which I think is amazing.
Are they still using cement then as their?
No, no cement. It's just plastic.
Okay, but for the bricks, they're bricks.
No, it's
They're
plastic.
plastic
No,
bricks. I
yeah.
get that. Plastic. But to join them together,
Oh
when you build a wall,
no. Well,
I guess they would
well,
use
well.
cement.
For now, it's just for the pavings. What they're doing.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That's what she wants it to go into. And she hopes to very soon add a much bigger manufacturing lineup that will triple her production capacity. I'll tell you what, Oppe. Everybody out there, watch this video now. This is just online now. Here it is.
Let's turn trash into cash. My name is Nzambi Mate. I'm the founder of Jijenge Makers Limited, and we convert plastic waste into building products. Plastic waste is not just a Kenya problem, but it's a worldwide problem. And here in Nairobi, we generate about 500 metric tons of plastic waste every single day, and only a fraction of that is recycled. We decided, what more can we do instead of just sitting in the sidelines and complaining? Essentially, companies have to pay to dispose the waste. So we solve their problem. The waste essentially comes for free. This is the plastic waste we get from factories. With this, we mix with sand, as the plastic is like the binder. We have 3 machines. The extruder does the mixing of plastic waste with sand at very high temperatures, and then the press compresses it. Plastic is fibrous in nature, and so therefore the brick ends up having a stronger compression strength. Does that look like waste to you? It's almost half the weight, so therefore during transportation and installation it's faster in terms of cost implication. We right now have a capacity of producing 1,000 to 1,500 bricks a day. So far we have recycled 20 metric tons, and we are looking to push that value to 50 by the end of next financial year. Winning the Young Champions of the Earth award is a huge motivation booster for us as a team. It's been a long 3-year journey, and so this was like someone saying, I see what you're doing and I appreciate that. And with this platform, we're looking to see how we can get on both partners to scale this solution, not just in Kenya, but all over Africa, just to start. And in addition to that, be able to impact and motivate other people and other youths to do similar things in different places. So right now we are just making paving blocks, but we now want to make actual building blocks. As I like saying, you have to be true to your why. Why are you doing this? What is the motivation behind it? For me, I was just tired of being in the sidelines of seeing plastic. I ideally jumped in off a cliff without even a parachute. I was building it as I was falling down. But isn't that how great things are done? So act for nature.
It's a great idea, and that I don't understand why that hasn't been used previously.
I'm actually surprised. I'm actually surprised at myself on why didn't they think about this.
Well, why did it take this many years
to actually
for it to become something?
Oh, and it actually shows where some of the stuff where they've used the bricks, like for making lovely pathways and things like that, and it looks amazing up there. It really does. I thought I'd have that down in my garden.
Well, what color is it?
It's different colours. You could choose whatever.
You can get it any color.
Any colour you want. It's plastic. Yeah, and I just think it was great. And I remember when you were telling me things what were happening in Bali about plastics.
So here we've got their council is considered the Banjar, and they're very, very small. The regions are very, very small, so there's a lot of different Banjar for different regions. Yeah. So, and each one of them are slowly picking up different things that are good for their community. Different ones are picking up the plastic exchange, and
that was it.
Basically, you drop off a massive bag of plastic, they weigh it, and based on that bag, they give you rice and food, and they're changing it depending on what you need. Food, at the moment, it's food and water. Yeah. So
I think it's great.
If you need more water, then they'll give you more water. If you need more rice, then they give you more rice.
And can you give them any plastic, or is it just
any plastic?
Nice.
Any plastic, which is what's really good about it, because at first it started out as people just saving the plastic that they used, which is also good because they're saving their plastic and giving that. But now it's become like, well, wait, I can go collect any plastic from the street and get money for it. And so they've been cleaning up rivers and everything all over Bali. And then there's communities like my mum's where she just goes and helps out. So instead of getting the rice and everything for it, they will go collect all the plastic and then give it to someone.
Oh, I got you. Nice.
So they can get the rice.
Yeah, that's great. I think.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I think this is what everybody should be doing, though, not just in these countries. I think everywhere is suffering with this situation, and I think.
Well, the brick idea is incredible, and that should be something that's implemented everywhere in the world. because here in Bali, they don't have a place, which it would be better if we just had something here that they could go, oh, cool, and turn that into bricks.
Yeah, I think it's fantastic. I think this woman's an amazing woman, and I think it's great. And I had to share it.
Yeah, I like it. I love it.
The world is changing.
The world is changing. Everyone sees this as a bad thing, and honest, it sucks not having money.
Yeah.
I agree. But at least some things that are good are coming out of
Coming
this.
out of it. Yeah, absolutely. Well, on that note, we better say goodbye. Well, goodbye from
We're gonna say goodbye.
goodbye from Victoria.
And goodbye from Bali.
And we are
we are
the BJs.
BJs.
And don't you forget it.
Don't you forget.
and
Nailed
and
it.
hit that follow button. Follow button and like.
This one,
Follow button
right
and
here.
like.
It's not focusing.
Well,
Wait.
just follow and like us.
That one. There, it's focused. That one.
Oh, that's funny.